Right, there you go. Hey, bud. What you doing with those scissors? Today in art class, we're going to draw a squid. First, let's draw two eyes, okay? And then around your eyes, I'm gonna do this. Draw these little C shapes wrapping around the eyes. And on the top, coming up, we're gonna do a little thing kind of like that. Two lines coming up. And on each side of these lines, we're gonna make a little triangle thingy coming up. Good job. If you have to go off the page, that's okay. Now down here, we're gonna make the tentacles. Now, I found out that squids have 8 arms and 2 tentacles. And the tentacles are different than arms. I just learned this. And so the first 2 tentacles we're gonna draw are really long, and these are the ones that the squid uses to get his prey. Okay? So we're gonna draw these long tentacles.
Squid beak.
And you wanna do a squid beak? We could do a beak too, after we do our tentacles. Make it real long. Okay, and you put a little point on the end of yours, but I left mine open because I was gonna do something like this. See, you can add one to yours too. I can even close mine off to show you what I mean. See, you can add your own little piece on the end there. It's like sort of like a upside down heart, kind of, you know? Okay, and now we have to draw, those are the 2 tentacles that he uses to pick up food. Now the other ones are shorter, and there's 8 of them, and these are called squid arms. So you can start right about here, and you can kind of make them however you want. So I'm gonna make my first one kind of skinny like that, then I'm having another one coming down like that. Connect it, and then we can even add one in the middle there, just kind of wherever you want. Yeah, make them crisscross and go all the way around. Make some curly ones. Just make sure that you have 8. I'm gonna make one coming out of the middle of these 2. So far I think I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 arms. So I need 2 more. How many do you have?
2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, so you don't have to have them. You can just kind of like
6.
make them however.
7.
You can have them cross over each other too. Tentacles are fun because you can go anywhere you want with them and they still look good. That's great. Wait, what? One more?
I don't have any room.
You don't have any room? Well, have it come off of there. Have it come off of here or something, or have it it's hidden behind here so it can even come off of there. You don't have to have it open. You want it to come up? Well, that's okay. He's scratching his nose. Okay. Now in the middle of this squid, we can do a little mouth, but what do squids have?
Beak.
They have beaks, and they're usually right here between these tentacles. So we can draw a little beak. They kind of look like a bird's beak, huh? And squids have big, goofy eyes. So I'm going to put 2 circles in the middle of my eyes.
the all
What are you doing?
into that.
You're gonna color yours in all the way? That's okay. A little shine right there, a circle right there, and then color in the dark spots and leave a couple of dots there. Look at that squid. Whoa, you made your squid have huge black eyes. Very cool. Love that. Well, that's a squid. Do you like it?
Mm-hmm.
I like it too. You know what else we could do? Put these little, sort of like these little freckles or dots. You want to color now?
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's color. You make yours red? Whoa. Man, I love your squid. It's red. Got a lot of tentacles on there. You even added your own fish. Great idea. Oh, are those bubbles?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.